Alright, now this is an answer for the magazine again. And it's about flicking. Which fingers to flick when we play Rasgueo? Flick this thing. Right? So, because it has more strength, then everybody knows that unless you want to play very soft, you need to flick the fingers. But when you play, here are the rules for this flicking thing. We will set them. For Rasgueo number 1, we will flick from the ring finger. So don't worry with the pinky. Pinky will get the strength gradually. We just do little finger down, ring finger down, flick, middle down, flick, index down, flick. So we flick from here. This is free stroke. 1, 2, 3, flick. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm not flicking from the 4. The question was when to flick and when not. But also about if the pinky finger flicks or not. This doesn't flick. This is just free because it will just offset all the posture. You know, if you do that, this flicking thing is very weird to pick the finger from here. So you can also train the little finger just by free stroke. Look. And although it will not be same volume because of the size and weight of the other fingers, these compared to the others, you may balance them very nicely. If you try to balance, maybe take down the volume of the other fingers and try to balance it in a way that it sounds well. So here there's a lot of balance going on. From the softly, not, it doesn't have to be, but just softly, you take impulse from the thumb here, right? Not with the pinky finger every bit, but just from the ring finger. That is for Rasgueos 1 and 2. Then for the Rasgueo 3, it doesn't have a pinky finger, therefore that's okay. Sometimes you can also use it as free stroke. Can be used as that as well, but to practice we will do also that number 2, flicking from the ring finger. Although I am not flicking the pinky finger. Then the same thing for the Rasgueo number 3. Practice it free stroke. Or flicking from the ring finger on that number 3. Then for the number 4, our last Rasgueo, this thing. This thing here. Now we can play that free stroke. We should practice it. And also flicking just the index softly. Not from the center of the finger, but sided. So we do 1, 2, 3. So this one, ring finger down, is not flick. It's free stroke. Then we flick and then index off, but soft. That. So here you have the normal tips, regular tips for the Paco de Lucía style and technique about the flicking of the fingers for Rasgueos. Thank you, and I see you next time.